Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Which of the following works by Sri Aurobindo is an unfinished epic based on the legend of Satyavan and Savitri? A. Alien, B. Savitri, C. Love and Death, D. Urvasi. The right answer is option B. Savitri, a legend and a symbol. It is Sri Aurobindo's literary masterpiece and transforms the Mahabharata legend into a symbolic spiritual epic. Next question. In the future poetry, Sri Aurobindo argues that the highest form of poetry should primarily express which faculty? A. Rational intellect, B. Emotional sentiment, C. Overhead or spiritual consciousness, D. Political ideology. The right answer is option C. Overhead or spiritual consciousness. Sri Aurobindo believed true poetry originates from the higher spiritual planes of consciousness. Next question. Which of the following essays by Sri Aurobindo was originally serialized in the journal Arya before being published as a book? A. The Human Cycle, B. The Future Poetry, C. The Life Divine, D. All of the above. The right answer is option D. All of the above. All these works first appeared serially in Arya between 1914 and 1921 before being published as books. Next question. In Savitri, Aswapati primarily symbolizes which of the following? A. The ordinary human intellect, B. The seeking soul aspiring for divine transformation, C. The forces of ignorance, D. Material evolution. The right answer is option B. The seeking soul aspiring for divine transformation. Aswapati represents spiritual aspiration and the yogic seeker striving for divine consciousness. Next question. Which Greek epic tradition most strongly influenced Sri Aurobindo's unfinished poem Ilion? A. The Odyssey, B. The Iliad, C. The Argonautica, D. The Debate. The right answer is option B. The Iliad. Ilion is inspired by the Trojan War and reinterprets Homer's epic from Sri Aurobindo's perspective. Next question. According to Sri Aurobindo, the Vedic Panis symbolize A. Ancient merchants, B. Demonic powers withholding spiritual light, C. Priests of the Rig Veda, D. Tribal warriors. The right answer is option B. Demonic powers withholding spiritual light. He interprets the Panis symbolically as forces obstructing spiritual illumination. Next question. Which of the following is not a play written by Sri Aurobindo? A. Rodogune, B. Eric, C. Perseus the Deliverer, D. Hyavadana. The right answer is option D. Hyavadana. Hyavadana is written by Girish Karnad, not Sri Aurobindo. Next question. The phrase, all life is yoga, is most closely associated with which philosophy? A. Advaita Vedanta, B. Integral Yoga, C. Bhakti Yoga, D. Karma Yoga. The right answer is option B. Integral Yoga. Sri Aurobindo believed every aspect of life can become a means of spiritual realization. Next question. Which Upanishad received an English translation and commentary from Sri Aurobindo? A. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, B. Isha Upanishad, C. Chandogya Upanishad, D. Kaushitki Upanishad. The right answer is option B. Isha Upanishad. His interpretation emphasizes the harmony between spiritual realization and worldly existence. Next question. In the life divine, evolution ultimately culminates in the manifestation of A. Rational consciousness, B. Mystical silence alone, C. Supramental consciousness, D. Material perfection. The right answer is option C. Supramental consciousness. Sri Aurobindo regarded the supermind as the next stage in human evolution. Next question. Which literary device predominates throughout Savitri? A. Allegory and symbolism, B. Comic irony, C. Burlesque, D. Picaresque narration. The right answer is option A. Allegory and symbolism. Nearly every character and event possesses philosophical and spiritual significance. Next question. Sri Aurobindo's concept of involution refers to A. Political revolution, B. Decline of civilizations, C. The descent of divine consciousness into matter, D. The evolution of language. The right answer is option C. The descent of divine consciousness into matter. Evolution is possible because consciousness first involved itself within matter. Next question. Which journal became the principal medium for publishing Sri Aurobindo's philosophical writings? A. Bande Mataram, B. Karmayogin, C. Arya, D. Dharma. The right answer is option C. Arya. Most of his major philosophical works were first serialized in Arya. Next question. Which pair is correctly matched? A. Essays on the Gita, Homeric criticism. B. The human cycle, social evolution. C. The ideal of human unity, Vedic symbolism. D. The future poetry, political theory. The right answer is option B. The human cycle, social evolution. The work examines the psychological and spiritual development of societies. Next question. Which work contains Sri Aurobindo's interpretation of the Bhagavad Gita? A. Essays Divine and Human. B. Essays on the Gita. C. The synthesis of yoga. D. The Mother. The right answer is option B. Essays on the Gita. The book interprets the Gita through the philosophy of integral yoga. Next question. Sri Aurobindo regarded poetry of the highest order as A. Mere aesthetic pleasure. B. Intellectual craftsmanship alone. C. The mantra of the real. D. Historical documentation. The right answer is option C. The mantra of the real. He believes supreme poetry reveals spiritual truth through inspired expression. Like the video. Do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned, we will meet again with another interesting challenge.